What could be the reasons why my fireplace fan has stopped working?
Hello there. Today we'll be discussing potential reasons why your fireplace fan has stopped working. A malfunctioning fireplace fan can cause inefficiency in heat distribution and may even pose safety issues. Let's take a step-by-step approach to identify and resolve this issue.
Is the fan receiving power?
First and foremost, we need to check if the fan is receiving power. If your fan isn't powered, it obviously won't work. Check your circuit breaker for any flipped switches. Also, ensure the fan is plugged in and that the outlet is functioning properly.
Is the fan motor functioning?
After confirming power supply, next we'll check the fan motor. A faulty fan motor could be the culprit behind your fan not working. To check this, you may need to turn on the fireplace and listen closely. If you hear a humming sound but the fan isn't moving, it could be a motor issue.
Is the fan thermostat working?
Fireplace fans typically have a built-in thermostat that turns the fan on and off according to the heat level. If this thermostat is malfunctioning, it might prevent the fan from operating. To test this, turn the heat up and see if the fan starts working. If not, the thermostat might be to blame.
Is there debris in the fan?
Another common issue could be the buildup of dust and debris in the fan. Too much buildup can cause the fan to stop working. Cleaning the fan and removing any obstructions might solve your problem. However, be sure to turn off and unplug the unit before cleaning to avoid accidents.
Is the fan switch faulty?
Finally, the fan switch could be faulty. This is especially likely if your fan doesn't respond to the on switch at all. You might need to replace the fan switch if it's not triggering the fan to start. So those were the top 5 potential issues that could cause your fireplace fan to stop working: power supply, motor function, thermostat, debris buildup, and a faulty switch. If you've checked all of these and your fan is still not working, it might be time to call a professional for help. Hopefully, this guide has been helpful to you, and you're on your way to having a fully functional fireplace fan again. Remember, always take safety precautions when dealing with electrical appliances. Thanks for watching.